is here. Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be sharing how to make your own PC cruiser but without the need of drawing or designing any single detail. How's that? Stay with me in this video. I'll be sharing the tea with you in a moment. In this tutorial, I'll be using a free-to-download program called Reward Cruiser Editor. And yes, it is the same one I used previously while making Farina's animated PC cruiser. However, since we're not drawing it this time, you will have to pre-install a JPG, PNG, or GIF formatted file before starting. After having the desired file ready, go to Create and select Create Cruiser from Image. Here, I'm gonna be using this Silverwolf GIF. My canvas size is going to be 64, which is the best option for most PC screens, and a color depth of 32 bits. Hit OK, and now we are in the main interface of the program. As you can see, since I'm using a GIF formatted file, my timeline contains multiple frames. If you're using a JPG or PNG file, then you're gonna have one frame down below. As you can notice in the test screen, the cruiser is missing its pointer, which is kinda unusual for a mouse. To fix this, go to the mouse icon on the top, click it to open a new window. This window contains features that will help you in creating the best pointer for your cruiser. The first option we have is the arrowhead size. Underneath it is the arrow tail. And in the end of the window, you can see the width option for the pointer. If you go back to the middle, you will have all the fun options, which are the colors. The one on top is for the outer outline. You can click more colors to open the color wheel. Sadly, there is no eye draw feature in here, so you will have to play around with it until you reach the wanted color. Same thing goes for the fill color. As for the last one, which is the secondary fill, you can either keep it the same color you chose for the fill color to have a solid color pointer, or choose a different shade to create a gradient colored pointer. For me, I chose a different shade color because you know me, I love gradient colors. When you are done, click OK. If you're using a GIF format like me, you will have to do one additional step. However, for those who are working with a normal picture, this part is skippable, since you won't have the same issue. So, my fellow GIF users, stay focused if you would. If you go to your timeline and choose a different frame, you will notice that the pointer you have just created have disappeared. That is because we have only made it on the first frame. Yeah. To fix that, go and use the selection tool, select the arrow pointer, copy it, then go from one frame to another and paste it in there. Make sure you don't miss nor forget any frame. When you reach the last frame, hit enter on your keyboard, and you are done. You're happy, aren't you? But please, don't forget, now you'll have to go and save it in a suitable format for you to use. So go to File, Save As, name your file, then change the file type to Animated Cruiser File. I repeat, Animated Cruiser File. Note, if you have used a JPG or PNG format file, then you will have to use the static file format. Finally, click OK to finish making your PC cruiser. See, no drawing skills are required. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who might find it useful. Also, feel free to mention me with what masterpiece you have created. If you're interested in the PC cruiser I just created, check out my Buy Me Coffee link attached to my channel. See you in my next video. You is out.